Okay, let me introduce you to another one. 2016 Ford Edge all-wheel drive 2.7 liter V6, sporty, clean, lots of room, only 91,000 miles, fresh trade-in here at Victory Honda of Plymouth. That's right, we just traded this one in yesterday. It's got all the good stuff. It's got a panoramic moonroof. It's got a power seat, leather seat, 2 keys, 2.7 liter, you name it, it's got it. They don't make this anymore. I don't know why, because it's such a popular vehicle, especially in our area here. Big wheels, tinted windows, sporty looking. It's got the sensing system in the front there. You can see the radar sensors, so you don't run into any parking blocks or hit anything. This one was just traded in by a local customer. They picked up a new car. It's going through the shop. We check it out. 182-point inspection, top to bottom, front to back, side to side. We check out the brakes, the fluids, the filters, the tires, make sure everything is up to spec, so that way we can back it with a guarantee. Every car under 100,000 miles we sell here comes with a 90-day warranty, so 3 months or 3,000 miles, bumper to bumper, just like the factory warranty. So rest assured you're getting a good quality car that's been checked out, reconditioned, and ready to go. We're going to detail this car from top to bottom, front to back. Make sure that it's nice and clean. Show you the miles there. It's got navigation, both sets of keys right here. Interior, the big panoramic roof. Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. This one could be going home with you today. Thanks.